Hello, this is the 40 kilowatt 144 volt motor kit. Our motor drive system consists of motor, controller, OBC onboard charger. That one is a DC converter, wire harness. And also lithium battery. As we can see here, this is the lithium battery pack groups. It consists of 2 battery packs. There are different sizes just to we customize it just to fit them to our customer's car. And let me focus on this OBC onboard charger, and this is the 6.6 kilowatt charger. And when we use it, and the specification is 40 amp. So when we use this charger to charge this batteries at home, for example, if our home electricity is 220 volts, and for a battery pack like 230 ampere hour, it needs about 6 hours to get this battery pack fully charged. This charger is configured with CC and CP signal. It means that we can charge the battery on the public charging stations. AC slow charging. It can be charged by AC slow charging station. And since the onboard charger is configured with the CC/CP signal, then we will need another adapter like this one. This is we also call it this one we also call it small charger. We need this one to connect it when we charge it at home. Otherwise, without this, the battery cannot be charged properly by the OBC charger 6.6 kilowatt, which is configured with the CC/CP signal wire. And let's take a close look at this part. This is the charging gun, and this is the charging socket. And the motor kit, 40 kilowatt motor. This set of drive system can be used for the middle-sized car, like a 2-ton or even 2.5-ton car. And the peak power of this motor is up to 65 kilowatt. The peak torque is up to 252 Newton meter. Okay, that's all for today's introduction about this 40 kilowatt drive system. Thank you.